Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the cooling fan on a hydrostatic transmission on this lawn tractor. So what I've got here is a troy-bilt lawn tractor. They're made by MTD. The old hydrostatic fan is right in there. You can see it's gone. What happened is the belt came off, destroyed the fan. And here's the old fan. It just came right off. Here's the new one. You can see the difference. As you'll see, it's not that difficult to replace this fan. And to get right into it, I'm going to lift up the seat. First of all, you want to remove the clip here that holds the battery. Now I'm using an 11mm wrench and a 10mm wrench to remove this bolt. Now just remove the battery. And now you need to remove this metal piece that holds the battery in. And here's where the rest of the fan is, right on top of that pulley. I did put a new drive belt on this tractor, by the way. Now what you need to do is remove the nut on top here of the pulley. It's a 19mm. And I'm using my Milwaukee 3/8 impact with the 19mm socket. If you don't have an impact, you can use a ratchet with a 19mm socket. Now if you do it manually by hand with a ratchet, you may have to hold the pulley while you undo the nut. Whereas if you're using the impact, you do not need to hold the pulley. So I'm just going to reach down here with my 3/8 impact. And you'll see how easily it comes off with the impact. And I've got the nut right in the socket. Now you can reach down and lift up the rest of the fan here. And you will need to remove this washer. Now before I reinstall the new fan, I'm going to give you the part number. It's 731-06098. There is a link under the video to where you can buy this directly online. If you're a Canadian viewer, you can purchase it directly from me. Just simply email me at donnyboy73@yahoo.com. And by the way, I don't think the fan was that much. I think it was just like $20 or something like that. So now what you need to do is insert that washer. And now simply reinstall it on top of the pulley. If the washer comes off like this, make sure it's back in the slots. And now you need to reinstall the nut. And what I'm going to do now with the impact on a low setting is just start up the nut right to the bottom where the washer is. And then I'm going to manually finish tightening it up. So now when you manually tighten it up, you'll have to hold the fan. And you don't need to put it too tight because it is a lock nut. And that's good. And now you want to do one last final inspection to make sure everything's good. It's nice and tight, the washer's on properly, and the nut is tight. Now what you can do is reinstall the battery holder here. Now insert the battery back in. You can put this pin back in. And now just finish tightening up the battery terminals. So that's all there is, guys, to replacing the cooling fan on the hydrostatic transmission of your lawn tractor. It will be very similar on all makes of lawn tractors, although there will be a few subtle differences. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have yourselves a great day.